Welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to look at the Nifty weekly expiry analysis. So now we'll go through as usual procedure. We'll go into the pointers one by one. That is starting from price action. So before going into the analysis, I want to tell this video is only for the educational purpose and everyone we wanted to convey that this is the way we analyze and then trade in weekly basis as well as for the longer time frame. So now we wanted to just convey the way we analyze to every one of our members. So that is the reason behind this video. So please take this as a learning video, and then before trading, please take care of your risk management, because that is a very good way we can control our uh, money, and it is your money. You have to take responsibility and then you trade it. Okay, so let us see the price action. Now we will go into the standard pointer. So first pointer is price action. So if you look at the price action, I have just put the support and resistance, means support and resistance zone here. So basically you can see there was a gap around October. We fell from this place. So now the same place we started having a resistance, and as we are seeing a very good a green candle, now we are finding a smaller red candle. There is basically a small what you call a retrace kind of thing only we are finding this price action. It is not a major selling here, but only one concern is it is forming a actually higher highs. Okay, see, first candle you can see made high, second candle somewhere here, next candle low is further less, and this candle high. So every day it is making a lower high. So okay, but the delta, the moving range is very small, so no issue. So let us see, and we are seeing that support is very near, somewhere around 200 200. So we have got a very good candle, green candle here. So 300 to 25 will be a very good support, because that is what we have broken out. So there is a two chance. So we can maybe trade between this support and resistance for some more time, or otherwise there is a possibility, when it comes here we may go up, and we may take some more time to break this resistance. So that is the concern. Okay, so then this is what we could see from the chart, and let us see the next pointer, that is India VIX. Yeah, coming to the India VIX, you can see the chart is once again here. If you see, keep on coming down, which means it is indicating that your downside is as of now very less, and then market may be less volatile also. It can be in a range bound market. So that is the reason VIX is less. And one more point I want to convey here is basically when stable market is there, like what happened, your premiums are very less. So the point is, so according to the premium, so people can like what happened basically, the point at which I am trying to say is the downside may be very much protected, but upside may be possibility always exists when in the low VIX environment. Okay, so coming to the next pointer, that is overall market direction. Anyhow, we have seen, so we have made a very good dip and then coming up near to the ATH, and we were also continuously telling from 22,500 onwards, keep on buying. So we are also benefited, and then we are going one direction upside with the minor corrections. So we are expecting once again a overall market we should hit all-time high very soon. So that is the only expectation from our side also. And coming to the OI, that is basically what you call like this week how people have taken the open interest. So if you see once again, 25,000 put is strongly written. Okay, so that will act as a very good support now for this week, and you can find 25,500 people have taken a short shadow. So the people are thinking that market may be in and around 300 point plus or minus 25,500. That is why So they have taken around 25 500 level because the resistance was around 800 and 300 support was taken on Friday. So they are thinking that 25 500 star shadow will be a good option. So people have taken, and higher side you can see 26,000 also people have shorted. So basically, like 26,000 C is written. So 25 500 shadow is observed. So this is for the OA data. So let us look into the next straddle premium. So straddle premium also you can see continuously down. So which is also indicating that the market is stable. So if it is lesser number and it is eroding all the day, the market is stable market. It is indicating a stable market. Okay. Then coming to the institution data. So if you see institution data, actually what is happening is DA is still staying on long. So and FA is in short. So the point is FA may cover sometime the shorts. Okay. So then there may be a rally possibility in this short covering rally, but otherwise like DA stays on long and then FA stays on short. So once again for this week there is a chance of sideways movement only we are also expecting, because that is the way option OA data was also there, a chart is also saying. So any side breakout only further movement will come. And coming to the global market, so if you look at the Dow Jones, yeah, it is already 44,800. I think our all-time high is somewhere around 45. Only just we are away by 300 points. So which means around 1%. So it is very clear now US market is very close to the all-time high. So we can expect global is very stable, and we can also anytime we can also hit all-time high, and that is the possibility we are also looking at. And coming to the conclusion and trading ideas, once again, we have told very clearly we may move between these two, and there is a small one falling zone is getting created. So, breaking which we may have a good trade. So, people can even look for this falling zone trade. Actually, you can see there is a falling zone here. Okay. So once we break this above, no, that is now as of now, we have to break 25, 20, where we are for 450. Okay, so we have to break close to uh, 25, 500, 550 above. 25, 550 above, it is a downward channel breakdown. So then there is a chance for going to the resistance zone. Once again, we can target about 600, 700, and then once again resistance may act. So that is what for the shorter time frame we can see. So, and as the data of OA also telling, there is a chance of sideways movement for this week also. If further short covering possible beyond 650 or 700 level, so that is what is there. So accordingly you can trade, and and you can tell also, even at the higher level we are not finding any profit booking. So lower side is very very limited. I am not finding as of now the lower side is there. Even if it comes, the worst case scenario will be 25 200 to 25, and beyond that I am not seeing anything on lower side. Upper side we can go and hit the all-time high. So that's all for this week expiry analysis. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you soon.